Is an adjustment just a pop? Not even close. Inside your joints are little nerve endings called mechanical receptors. They monitor movement. When a bone misaligns, a subluxation, it locks up the joint. That stops the receptors from working right, and your brain gets stress signals. What does the adjustment do? It reactivates those receptors. When I adjust by hand, I feel the joint release, the muscles relax, and the entire system reset. That's how your body starts healing again. The adjustment isn't just about noise. It's about restoring communication between your brain and body. Real chiropractic isn't about cracking backs. It's about reconnecting your body to itself.